Music is a universal language. It speaks to our hearts and minds. Did you know that listening to music can actually change our brains? It's true. Music stimulates the brain, boosts memory, and improves focus. It's like a workout for our minds. Music also has an incredible power over our emotions. Upbeat music can make us happy and give us energy. Soothing melodies can relax our bodies and minds. Music can be a source of comfort and joy. Music brings people together. When we sing or dance together, we connect with others and feel a sense of belonging. Music is a precious gift. Watch the video until the end, you'll get a present. It enriches our lives in so many ways. France Hutchison is passionate about children's development. As a teacher, yoga instructor, and mother of a child with autism, she has witnessed the challenges children face in today's world. She saw how stress and overstimulation could lead to difficulties with focus, emotional regulation, and overall well-being. France was inspired to create PedaYoga, a unique program that combines the ancient practice of yoga, educational techniques, with the power of music and stories. PedaYoga is specially designed for kids, making yoga fun, engaging, and accessible to all. With PedaYoga, France has created a community where children can learn, grow, and thrive emotionally. Through playful poses, sensory exercises, catchy songs, and the guidance of a very special monkey named Namasté, PedaYoga allows children to develop essential skills while having fun. Parents often look for ways to help their energetic children find moments of calm and focus. Traditional yoga, although beneficial, can sometimes be difficult for young children bursting with energy. PedaYoga addresses this challenge by incorporating rhythmic music and interactive stories into each session. This dynamic approach keeps children interested and entertained while introducing them to the basics of yoga. PedaYoga helps children channel their energy in a positive way. It teaches them breathing exercises to calm their minds and bodies. Through PedaYoga, children discover the joy of movement, the importance of mindfulness, and the power of self-expression. At the heart of PedaYoga is Namasté, a playful and wise monkey who guides children on their yoga adventures. Namasté is more than just a character. He's a friend, a role model, and a source of endless fun. Each PedaYoga session is like a journey with Namasté, filled with exciting poses, catchy songs, and valuable life lessons. Children learn to roar like lions, swing like monkeys, and stretch like tall trees, all while developing their coordination, balance, and body awareness. Namasté teaches children the importance of kindness, respect, and self-confidence. With Namasté by their side, children embrace the practice of yoga with enthusiasm and wonder. France Hutchison believes that everyone should be able to benefit from PedaYoga. That's why she offers comprehensive training programs for adults passionate about sharing yoga with children. These programs provide participants with the knowledge, skills, and tools necessary to become certified PedaYoga instructors. France guides trainees through the fundamentals of PedaYoga, teaching them how to create engaging and effective sessions for children of all ages. The PedaYoga community is a supportive network of people dedicated to the well-being of children through yoga, music, and play. Ready to discover the magic of PedaYoga? Let's join a child for a mini adventure. The friendly cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, hands flat on the floor under your shoulders. As you breathe in, gently lift your chest off the floor, keeping your hips and legs on the ground. Imagine you are a friendly cobra stretching its hood towards the sun. Hold this pose for a few breaths, feeling your chest and back stretch. As you breathe out, slowly lower your chest back to the floor. Sing with Namasté, cobra, cobra, stretching high towards the blue sky, way up high. Breathe in up, breathe out down. PedaYoga is more than just yoga. It's a transformative journey for children and adults. It's an opportunity to connect with your body, calm your mind, and experience the joy of movement. Whether you're a parent, educator, or simply someone who loves children, PedaYoga offers a world of possibilities. Explore the resources available on the PedaYoga.com website. Discover the joy of PedaYoga classes. And here is a promotional code for a free introductory training, 123 PedaYoga. And see the positive impact it can have on the children in your life. Join Namasté and France Hutchison on an adventure that will nourish the mind, body, and soul of children around the world.